Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to be demonstrating a very easy recipe that will be lots of fun. The children really enjoy it and they get lots of use. It's a good sensory activity and it's also very good for fine motor control. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to make Kool-Aid Play-Doh. I have the recipe right here. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 2...
Because on Monday, I'm gonna make some Play-Doh with my mommy.
Perfect. 2 packs of Kool-Aid. We're gonna need 2 cups of water, 9 tablespoons of oil, and then mixing. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the water because it needs to get heated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 cups of water into the microwave to heat as we're mixing the dry ingredients.
So is it warming up?
It's warming up, and I typically put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes so it's really hot. Would you like to help me, Max?
Yeah.
So I'm going to have
Okay.
my assistant Max is going to help with the dry ingredients.
Okay.
All right, Max, you ready?
Yeah.
So first we're going to start with 2 cups of flour.
Okay.
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 All right. Okay. Here we go, Max. And help me pour that in there. 1. And 1 more. And then you're going to help me with the salt.
Okay. This?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Because that looks like cinnamon.
It reminds you of cinnamon? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, next we need to put the
Salt.
right. So we need 1 cup of salt.
Okay.
Okay. All right. 1 cup. All right.
A cup.
Okay. Remember what comes in next?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that our Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
Yep. This is strawberry Kool-Aid.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's a good smell.
Can you smell? All right. Let's get that all the way down. Let me shake it in. All right. Okay, pour it in. All right. Next, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. And help me go slow. Don't go too fast. Once the dry ingredients are mixed, what color do you think that's going to turn into once we have the wet ingredients?
Red.
It's going to turn red?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Once the dry ingredients are mixed, next we're going to take the hot water and we're going to add the oil to the hot water. All right. So now we have the really hot water. So this is very important that the adults take care of this part because it's very, very hot, right?
Yeah, right.
But Max is going to help me count 9 tablespoons of oil. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do our counting.
1, 2.
1,
2,
2,
3. Look at all those bubbles.
3, all the bubbles.
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8, 9,
8, and
9.
9. Oh, look at that science happening right there. What's happening to the oil?
Don't know.
Is the oil going to the bottom or staying on the top?
Stay on top.
All right. So the next step, what do we do next?
Stop.
We dump it in, we pour it in, and then we're gonna see what happens to the flour. Here it goes. Let's see. It's gonna change colors. Oh my goodness, what happened? What color did it turn into?
Pink again.
Pink again. Oh my goodness. And then you mix it up.
And then we mix it up and then pour that in there.
I'm gonna put some, yeah, you have the option if you wanna make it more of a sensory experience. I like to either add cinnamon or some vanilla. It kind of gives it an extra.
Some vanilla.
Should we add some vanilla to it?
Yeah.
We can add a little bit of vanilla, and then Max is gonna help me stir it up, and then it is ready to play.
Yeah.
All right, Max, you ready to help me?
Yeah.
Let's give it some stirs.
Pink again.
Mm-hmm. How does it smell?
Good. It's going to be a little bit hot.
It is going to be a little bit hot. You're right.
Put it in the tots.
Yeah. But, you know, as you stir, it does cool, so it won't be too hot. I think we added some vanilla, so I think we're good. And then what I usually do, it might be a little hot at first for your child to mix it up with their hands, but if you want to just get your hands in there to finish the mixing up. And voila, we have Play-Doh. All right. It's a little bit hot right now, Max. Okay, and this will provide lots of time, lots of creative time. A lot of language can happen. It's very good for fine motor. It's good for sensory. It helps to relax. So enjoy.